Hey everybody, it's Mike Drudge coming to you from Vaught RV here in Fort Worth, Texas. Man, I'm excited today to do a walkthrough video on a brand new 2021 Jayco Pinnacle 36 SSWS. Man, this thing has so many great features. I could do an hours long walkthrough, but I won't bore you with that. I'll try to be quick, touch on some of the main features and point out some of the differences between the North Point and the Pinnacle as we go along. So let's get started. Of course, we have a beautiful painted front fiberglass cap on this. A lot of these things will be consistent through the Pinnacle and the North Point, so I won't spend a whole lot of time. Of course, we have tons of storage under here, all right? Tons of storage. Your 5-gallon water bottle that's plumbed upstairs for the water in the sink, and also your refrigerator ice and water. Central vac system. Look how clean it is in here. Everything's tucked up. You don't have a lot of wires dangling in here. Great storage, clean storage to stay organized. Immediately you notice the Truma AquaGo. This is hot water on demand. It's not a hot water heater, it's a water heater. If it was a hot water heater, we wouldn't need to heat it. AquaGo, fantastic feature. Outdoor speakers, of course, and of course we have these great steps, which I'll show you in a minute. But check this out. On the Pinnacle, and this is unique to the Pinnacle, we have an outdoor TV embedded into the sidewall here. Fantastic. And again, it's an Insignia brand television, great quality, love it. It's out here when you need it and gone when you don't. Coming around to the back, another unique thing to the Pinnacle is we have a fiberglass, one-piece fiberglass molded rear cap, all right? Instead of a flat wall like some other units have, this has got a molded fiberglass rear cap. Really looks stylish, love it. We're already outfitted with a rear view camera up top. Love that feature. Got a hitch receiver right here. You can put a bike rack, luggage rack on the back if you so choose. Another thing unique to the Pinnacle, right here. Check this out. This is a power cord reel, all right? So we're on a reel in here, it's push button. So when it comes time to reel this thing in, it's push button. That's significant when it gets really cold outside. These things get real stiff. They're hard to handle. This way, hit the button, that thing's gonna reel it up for you. Makes that job of breaking camp a lot easier. We have access to the residential refrigerator right here. So if you ever should need to do some maintenance to this, easy access with this door panel. Sanicon waste evacuation system here. Super handy, great feature to have on a high-end RV like this. Opposite side of our storage here. Goes all the way through. This is your command center. Again, the 5-gallon water bottle here. All of your hookups and switches and valves are going to be right here. Close this guy. Coming around here. And again, people say, hey, what's the difference between the Pinnacle and the North Point? This is a wide body construction. It's 102 inches wide. It's 6 inches wider than a standard North Point or an Eagle. That little 6 inches goes a long way when you get inside and you start moving around. Doesn't sound like much, but it really is. Also, you notice it's drop frame construction. See how this is beveled in? We have a drop frame construction, which allows us to have more headroom, ceiling height on the inside, gives us taller storage bays with more storage capacity. And here's these great steps I was telling you about. I've showed you these on North Points before, but these are zero gravity. Check this out. One hand, look at that. It's not gonna come crashing on your head. Super easy to push up and stow for travel. That's the travel position. And when it's time to go, grab a hold here, pull it down. Anybody can do it like that. Let's go inside and check out the inside of this great RV now. Holy mackerel, I love this RV so much, I want one of these. So much to talk about in here. Check out this huge island. This is not a small island. A lot of prep area. Again, this is the water spigot that's plumbed to that 5-gallon water bottle down in the basement, so you know you're drinking and cooking with clean, purified water. This is an apron style deep basin sink here, undermount of course. And you often see these guys, charging port, USB here, and standard household current for a blender, coffee maker, that kind of thing. We have solid surface covers for the sinks. And Jayco even thought about giving you a handy place to store them. So check this out. They're in there, keep them from rattling around and cracking. They fit right in here like this. Here's your other one. How nice is that? Solid surface, so it matches the surface of your countertop. Really, really classy. You can use one or use both. Again, when you're done with them, pop them out. They slide right back into this little these storage slots, like so. Tuck them away for travel. Boom. How awesome is that? Check this out. We also have prep space here. This guy just sits into this little drawer pull out, tucks away when not in use. So once you get camp set up, glamp set up, pop this thing in, you have more prep space here. But look at this, guys. 4-door refrigerator. Get out, check this out. I mean, what is there, 100 cubic feet in here? No, not really, I'm kidding. But check that out, 4 doors. It's lit all the way to the bottom, so there's no dark corners in the refrigerator. Everything is easily accessible. Really nice Whirlpool brand, right? Insignia 4-burner chef style cooktop and a very nice sized oven. Not that much smaller than the one that we have in our house. Up top, Insignia convection and microwave. How beautiful is that? I've pointed this out before, but oh man, this is awesome. So you've got your utensil sliding tray here, push that out of the way, storage underneath. Again, full extension drawer glides. They don't just come out this far like a lot of cheaper brands do, they come all the way out. And down here again, check this out. How nice is that? Put smaller items up here, larger items below. Soft close, great. Pantry in here that's lighted. You open the door, on comes the light. Really deep storage, a lot of room for canned goods, pantry items. Great. Back into the living room section. Of course, the televator, right? When you don't want to use it, tuck it away and it disappears for travel. You'll want to keep it in this position for travel. It's more secure in there. Boom, like that. When you're ready, it comes back up. Beautiful fireplace under here. This serves as a heat source and it's aesthetically pleasing too. Check this out, JBL electronics. Love JBL. It's a giant leap forward in quality in terms of audio quality in this RV. Got a tri-fold sofa here that folds out into a very nice size sleeping position for a couple. It's very comfortable. Notice the nice stylish high-end lighting sconces up here. And Mr. Cameraman, if you want to pan up, check out the tall, deep storage up under here. Storage tucked into this thing everywhere you look. Love this. And of course, LED lighting everywhere. No shortage of light in here. If you just look around, everything, every corner is lit. You got neat sconce lighting up on top here, lighting inside the slide outs. There's no dark corners in here. Love that. Of course, we have our comfortable seat here, storage for the remotes, cup holders here. You've got heated, massage, lighted, power recline seats here. Really comfortable, and right there's the TV. 2 nice chairs here, and as you often see from my videos, the table extends out like this. There's our secret storage under there. When you don't need it, tuck it back. Storage under there. But wait, as they say, there's more. Check this out. We've even got storage in here for DVDs, books, those kinds of things on either side. Pinnacle designed storage in there. Love it. Coming around to the entrance when we come in, here's our command center, right? So as you have seen in some of our other videos, this is the BM Pro Command Center. Everything on the RV can be controlled here. You have lighting presets. Of course, we're on home here with our climate control. You can go through the different options, check tank levels, motors, climate control. So here's our main cabin climate control. Scroll up to the second AC, the third AC. We've got a third 15K AC unit on this with a heat pump, okay? So when those temperatures get chilly at night, kick that heat pump on, use the campground's power source instead of your propane, right? And then here's your lighting options. You can go through, select which ones you want on and off, control your awning lights and everything from here. And as always, you can put the app on your phone, control all these functions from your phone. Storage up there, storage up here, coat closet right here when you come in the door. Down here we have our breaker panel and fuses, all right? Handy right inside the door to hang your coat. Always need a place to hang your coat, all right? Nice storage under here. And in this case, we've got some additional breakers in here. They're all labeled for easy reference. Okay, let's go on upstairs and check it out up there. Nice cabinetry along here. This is where your washer and dryer would go. It's prepped. You can see the hookups in here for the washer. Dryer would set in the cabinet next to it if you so choose. So you got washer and dryer capabilities. Let's check out this bathroom. Oh man. So we have twin basin sinks here, and check this out. Check the LED embedded lighting inside the countertop. You can leave these on at night. You got to make a midnight bathroom run. It's pleasant, low light in here so you can see what's going on. Isn't that nice? Really, really cool. Who doesn't want to brush their teeth next to their spouse in the morning, right? Deep medicine cabinets, huge mirror. Not sure I want to see myself there. Sanicon turbo toilet, of course. Porcelain. Check out how big this shower is. Oh man, this is great. Really nice. And of course my wife would love this. There's a bench here where she can shave her legs. All important. When you don't want it, tuck it out of the way. If you do want it, there's a bench. This thing pops off here. Really nice quality and a nice skylight up here. Coming back into the master suite. Oh man, you're gonna love this. Check this out, man. This is like a whole other house in here. You got the bed, but look at this. I mean, I could live back here. This is great. You got seating up here and storage on either side for, again, books, DVDs, knickknacks, whatever. There's never enough storage, but man, this has got a ton of storage on either side, right? And we have a fireplace back here too. So we have two fireplaces on this coach. I have a fireplace here. Check out all this bank of storage along here on either side. Our Insignia TV up here. This is a Pinnacle exclusive with all of this storage on either side of the bedroom television. Whisper quiet ducted AC. So even when this AC is on high, all three of them on high, we can be standing here having a conversation and it's not going to drown us out. Check out this. More storage and more pillows. I mean, who doesn't need more fuzzy pillows, right? This is awesome. Yeah, right. Okay, right. All right, ready? All right, boom. Oh, yeah, all right. Fuzzy pillows. Free with purchase, by the way. Oh, and there's another pillow. Yes, all right, there you go. But look at this. Hanging storage here, drawers down below. Fantastic. Really like that. Beautiful bed, and as always, it's on gas struts, so this thing lifts easy and stays up so that we can access the storage under here. Again, you've heard me talk about it. These chairs match the chairs up front, but they're folding chairs. We have our rear view camera monitor in here. You've got your central vac hoses in here, your spray port hose here, extra water filter for the basement. Everything tucked nicely in here. And check it out, plywood, no OSB or particle board, and a Jayco fifth wheel. It's built solid, built to last. Nice lighting above the bed up there, and there's power outlets down below for if you have a CPAP machine, charging your cell phone, anything like that. This is outfitted right here with the WineGuard gateway, 4G LTE with Wi-Fi extender. It's a handy thing to do, and you can also use that to create a Wi-Fi hotspot that lives in here permanently if you'd like to. You see these little gadgets everywhere, handy switches for turning on lighting and slide operation in some cases. There's one here, there's one over there on the wall. Again, you can do the same thing from your phone. You can do the same thing from the application on your phone, as well as the switches up there. And check, I don't know if I pointed this out. Again, we have storage under here too. 3 drawers, nicely lighted with the undermount lighting here. So drawers under this seating area. This is great. I just can't get over how much room's in here. And if we want to darken it in here, and you probably will because it's your bedroom, boom, it's an MCD complete blackout shade, all right? Speaking of which, let's go up front. I want to show you the MCD shades in front, which is another exclusive to the North Points. I said North Point, Pinnacle. The North Points have MCD shades, but they're blackout shades. The Pinnacle has day and night shades, so you also get this shade that you can have down here, which cools the coach in sunlight, and it offers some privacy as well. And then you can also do a total blackout shade. These are all over the living room here. You've got them here as well. So you can still enjoy the view outside and still have some level of privacy, or even if the sun's hitting the back of your coach, it offers some shade quality and you can still have the view without closing it all off like this. MCD roller shades, a great feature, an expensive feature, but it's included standard with the Pinnacles. Man, I could keep going about this coach. I could. This could be hours long, but I know you don't have that much time. If you have more questions about any of the Pinnacles, also all the details on how a Pinnacle stacks up to a North Point or an Eagle, I'm happy to scan that document and send it to you in the email. Just click my email address below. Or if you have any other questions about this unit or others that we have in stock, give me a buzz. I love talking about RVs. A little quick tip, thing that most people don't realize. I actually grew up a few miles from where they build these Jayco RVs in Middlebury, Indiana. I've got family members that worked here, so it's kind of ironic that here I am in Fort Worth selling these and talking about them. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Check back here often. Let me know if you have any questions. Would love to chat with you.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.